Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin Hyper is here and it is selling out fast. Guys, you only have a couple more days, if not weeks, left to go ahead and get a bag of Bitcoin Hyper. This is the fastest layer 2 on Bitcoin. And guys, they are doing so much, putting in so much work, so many buyers. Recently, we've had multiple five-figure whales ape into this. And guys, I think there's something going on here. Okay, now listen, guys, this is a project that I've been talking about for a while because I feel like it's going to pop off, especially because Bitcoin and Bitcoin related projects are all just doing amazing right now. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Hyper. So as you guys can see right here, it is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain. And we can see, right, they have raised almost $24 million, which is insane to think about, right? Bitcoin Hyper, it doesn't seem to care about market fluctuations or market crashes. They're just crushing it, right? In like literally every regard. Now, with that being said, guys, obviously Bitcoin is having a bit of a tumble, and there is the whole, fear with the trade war with China and stuff like that. Bitcoin is down 1.5%, but what we do know is the recovery will be back, and it will be pretty freaking strong. I am expecting multiple all-time highs for Bitcoin this month, but with that being said, right now we're mainly talking about Bitcoin Hyper because yeah, you can make some pretty good gains with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin related altcoins are where you're going to see the majority of your gains. So basically, if you guys want to go ahead and buy this, I will leave a link down below. Very simple to go ahead and buy. Just click buy with crypto, connect your wallet, boom, bada bing. It doesn't get much easier than that. And you can see here, guys, they have a whole hyper ecosystem. So they're going to have a wallet, an explorer, a bridge, staking, and memes. They've been audited by CoinSalt and SpyWolf as well. So you definitely know this is safe because I know obviously with pre-sale projects, usually you are doing, it's a bit of a high risk, high reward play. But obviously when you have audits, you can kind of mitigate your risk level. Okay, now the way the layer 2 works, guys, is more or less you're going to be able to deposit Bitcoin into this layer 2, and then you'll basically get Bitcoin Hyper out, right? So for example, it's like the BNB chain where you have normal BNB and then you have smart chain BNB, right? You have BEP20 coins. That's pretty much how it works, right? Or even with ETH, you have normal ETH and then you have base ETH, okay? Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. So that's exactly how the layer 2 works. You deposit on BTC, and using a lot of the Solana blockchain technology, they're able to have a Bitcoin layer 2. So with this, guys, you could do anything like DeFi operations, staking, and you're going to have decentralized exchanges. So there's going to be a bunch of meme coins that come onto Bitcoin Hyper as well, okay? Pretty freaking cool. Now, obviously, guys, they have a lot of tech. If you actually go ahead and click on their white paper, you guys will see all of the information about the actual technical side of things. If you are interested in that, obviously go ahead and check it out. If you're like me and you don't really care too much about the nitty-gritty stuff, feel free to skip it, right? But definitely go ahead, skim through it, see if there's anything that you find interesting. Now, in terms of tokenomics, guys, this project is going to pop off because they have a huge treasury. They're going to have an ample amount of money for marketing, right? Viral marketing, paid and organic media, tier 1 geos as well, which is going to be insane. And to really put things into perspective, guys, right? 20% into marketing at current valuation, that's over $4 million that they're going to have to go ahead and play with for marketing. That's like about around 4.6 million, right? That is a lot of money to go and market this project, which again, you've heard about it early now. May as well go ahead and ape into it, right? Because this is literally the earliest you're going to get it during its pre-sale phase. So guys, overall, I'm pretty bullish on this. I think it will perform pretty well. If you guys are as well, there is obviously a link down below where you guys can go ahead and get yourselves a bag. But guys, that is it for today. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.